So today I got this book called Grumpy Cat Know It All, Everything You Need to Know. So today we're gonna read some, and then you guys can go back to your weekend. I'm gonna do a series later. Anyways, so I'm gonna read some. Then I'll talk to you guys about the series. Yeah. Positive solutions. Seeing the glass half full. Solution. No. If bonus points if you blame someone. Butterflies. That's really. You see a wonder in nature. I see a stupid flying bug showing off. I like you better in the cocoon. No. Cooking. No. Kiss the cook. Go ahead. I dare you. I'm gonna hit you with this frying pan. Flowers. No. Less polluting, more stinging. Holidays. Ho, no. No. Flying. No. New adventures are the worst. This baby is okay though. Like screaming. Art. No. I made art once. It was terrible. Copycat, that looks like you, right? Oh my god. Amusement parks. Grumpy's roller coaster. Yeah. No. Parties. No. Birthday is officially canceled. Cuddling. You keep trying. No. I keep scratching. Toys. No. I don't believe it. Days of the week. Every new beginning ends. Sunday. No. Sports are on. Probably I just keep reminding myself that half the team loses. Monday. Okay, actually. Everyone is miserable. Go. Make every day Monday. Tuesday. No, not Monday. Wednesday. No, not even further from Monday. Thursday. No. Almost Friday. People stay hopeful. Ugh. Friday, the worst. No. Saturday. No. I refuse to open my eyes on this day, man. It was terrible. Swimming. No. Babies. No. You're cute. We get it. News. No. Movies. The crib from outer space. Meetings. No. Exercise. Let's get it. No. Run away from someone annoying. Presents. No. Driving. No. Cause the traffic is okay though. Weddings. No. I'll not pronounce you boring and annoying. Texting. No. Hi there, friend. How are you? Hello? Are you okay? I was. Oh no, what happened? You texted me. You freaking me. Fashion. Then, no, now, no. History. No, 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 no. Music. No. My soundtrack is silence. Television. No. Alright, so we're gonna read some more soon, and bye.